Hello everybody, happy October. I'm here with my design team stamp for the month, plus some other goodies from the Not2Shabby shop. All the information will be listed below. Jamie has lots going on in the shop right now, including a new release from Not2Shabby. So there's 4 new stamp sets. This little mouse is one of them, so cute. So she made this envelope. There is a goodie that you can get if you purchase any of the Not2Shabby stamps. There's also a promotion right now with Picket Fence Studio. So she had this cute little owl stamp in the back of that envelope. With the purchase of $25 from Picket Fence, you will receive a cute little owl stamp like this or a similar image. This one is called Quilting Owl. So cute. My design team stamp for the month is from Picket Fence Studio. It's this adorable little bear called, what is this little guy called again? It's up here. A Bear Kind of Winter. So you get all of these beautiful little bear images, some really great sentiments. I'm excited to play around with that stamp set. I picked up some more Halloween stamps for my Halloween series this year. This is the Neat Entangled Your Treat. So cute. Of course, the little cat got me. But I also really love this sentiment. Being your friend is a treat. And I thought that was perfect to send to some of my friends. I also picked up a couple stamps from Kindred Stamps. You know I love this stamp company. This is Happy Haunting. It may remind you of a certain 1980s movie. Excited to play with this one. And also the Witch Sisters. And this might remind you of a certain movie as well. Love the little cat in this stamp set. The Book of Spells and the great little sentiments that go with that. This is unfortunately sold out at the shop, but I'm still going to use it because that means many of you have already purchased it. And finally, I picked up the black and white dot 6x6 paper pad by My Favorite Things. Just wanted to have this in my stash as kind of a grounding paper for some fun cards. So that is my haul and design team stamp this month. Jamie also has the Sunny Studios stamp, the new release, in the shop, and oh my goodness, I saw it and made a purchase right away. I love it. The new Doodlebug is in, so lots of goodies. Go on over. Don't forget to use coupon code JEN10, that's Jen with 2 N's, and I'll see you all really soon with some cards. Take care. Bye.